Hello students, welcome back. So in today's video, we'll see numericals on laws of motion. So if you feel that video is good, helpful, so request you to please share with all your friends and ask them to subscribe my channel. Now first problem if we take. A ship of mass 3 into 10 raised to 7 kg initially at rest is pulled by a force of 5 to 10 raised to 4 Newton through a distance of 3 meters. You are required to find resistance of water. Assuming resistance of water is negligible, you are required to find the speed of a ship. Now, first there is a ship. So its mass he has given. So m is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 7 kg. Initially it is at rest, so u is equal to 0. It is being pulled by a force, so a force is applied to the ship. It moves through a distance of 3 meters, he says. So you may say ship will come to this point I will take. So this distance from here to here he has given yes 3 meters. Distance he has given 3 meters. You are required to find the speed of a ship. So what will be the speed over here you are required to find. Now the force applied is F is 5 into 10 raised to 4 Newton. Whenever in a problem you find force given, you come to conclusion that it is based on Newton's law. Now from Newton's second law I can write F is equal to m into A. Now mass he has given, force he has given, you will get acceleration. But I am required to find V. So relation between V, S and A from motion in a straight line, V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Therefore, A will be V square minus U square divided by 2S. I will substitute this value over here. So F is equal to A I can write V square minus U square divided by 2S. Now substitute all the values, simplify, you will get the value of V. If I substitute, F is 5 into 10 raised to 4 is equal to mass is 3 into 10 raised to 7. V square, V we are required to find. Initial velocity is 0. Whole divided by 2s, that is 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Cross multiply matrix. 6 I will take to the numerator, 3 into 10 raised to 7 to the denominator. So I will have 5 into 10 raised to 4 into 6 divided by 3 into 10 raised to 7 is equal to V square. Therefore V square is equal to, if you simplify, 6 5s are 30, 30 by 3 means 10 into. If you take this 10 raised to 7 to the numerator, it will be 10 raised to minus 3. Therefore, V square is 10 raised to minus 2. So 10 idra power 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So V square is equal to 10 raised to minus 2. So if you take a square root, you will have the value of V. V is equal to 10 raised to minus 2, or you can say 1 by 10, or 0.1 meter per second. This is the value of V. 0.1 meter per second. Clear adare? Next, second problem is. Second one. A driver of a car moving at 20 meters per second. So initial velocity of a car he has given. So car is moving at a speed of 20 meters per second. finds a child on the road 50 meters ahead. ಸೊ ಮುಂದೆ ಕಾರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 50 meters ದೂರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗ ಕಾಣ್ತಾನೆ and stops the car 10 meters earlier to the child. So before reaching the child, and the accident ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ he will stop. He will avoid the accident. So 10 meters before the child, the car stops ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So if I take, so ಇದು road ಅದ, there is a child on the road. So here I will take car. There is a car. He has given that car is moving at a speed of 20 meters per second. So u is equal to 20 meters per second. The distance between a child and car is 50. So this is 50 meters. On observing the child, he applies the brakes. So brake apply ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. The car will stop over here, you may say. It stops here at a distance 10 meters before the child. So this is 10 meters. Means actually car has traveled a distance of 50 minus 10, that is 40 meters. Clear adari? 50 ಮೀಟರ್ ದೂರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹುಡುಗನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ 10 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Means he has traversed a distance of 40 meters. Mass of car with driver is 1000. M he has given 1000 kg. Calculate the force exerted by the brake. Means you are required to find F and time taken to stop the car. And time taken to stop the car. So here car stops means final velocity is 0. So first you are required to find force applied through brake. Again Newton's second law will use F is equal to ma. So instead of a we are knowing initial velocity, final velocity and distance. Distance is 40 meters, right? Don't take 50. So if I substitute here m, a I can write it as v square minus u square divided by 2s. Substitute all the values, you will get force. Mass is 1000 into bracket. V square is 0. U is 20. 20 square divided by 2s. S is 40. So 2 into 40. If I simplify this, minus I will write first minus ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗಿತೇನ್ರಿ. 1000 20 square is 400 divided by 80. Divided by 80. 1 0 gets cancelled. Simplify. 8 5s are 45 into other minus 5000 Newton. Minus 5000 Newton. So what negative sign indicates? Negative indicates that force is applied in opposite direction of motion. Negative indicates retardation anbodu or force is applied in opposite direction of motion. In opposite direction of motion. Is clear adare? Is the first part. That is, he has asked us to find force. Now if I take second part, he has asked us to find the time taken to stop the car. Means you are required to find t. So simple, you can use the formula v is equal to u plus at. ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಎ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಯು ಆರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ. ಆರ್ ಎ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಎಫ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್. ಎಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಮ್. A I will write it as v minus u divided by t instead of v square minus u square by 2s. A is V minus U by T. From first formula, V is equal to U plus AT formula ದಿಂದ A is equal to V minus U by T. Therefore, T is equal to T I have taken to the LHS. Mass is 1000. Final velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 20. Divided by F is minus 5000. So these three zeros gets cancelled. You will have minus 20 divided by minus 5. So 5 fours are 20. Answer is 4 seconds. 4 seconds is the time. Clear adare? Next, we'll go for the third one. A cricket ball moving horizontally with a velocity of 12 meters per second. A cricket ball is moving horizontally with velocity of 12 meters per second is brought to rest by a player in 0.1 seconds. If the cricket ball weighs 0.15 kg, calculate impulse and average force. Now, initially there is a ball moving horizontally with velocity, means U he has given U is equal to 12 meters per second. It is brought to rest, he says, means final velocity is 0 by a player in a time 0.1 seconds. So time taken is 0.1 second. Mass of ball he has given M is equal to 0.15 kg. You are required to find impulse. So first we will calculate impulse. Impulse is defined as large force acting for very small time. Impulse is given by F into T. Is given by F into T. By Newton's second law, again F into T I can write it as M into bracket V minus C. So F formula ಏನದರಿ M V minus U by T. T ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ F into T ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. Now substitute. So if I substitute, mass is 0.15 0.15, final velocity is 0, initially is 12. So multiply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ minus 0.15 into 12. You will get 1.8. So minus 1.8. Units for impulse is formula ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು F into T ಅದ. F means Newton, time means second. So SI unit is Newton second. So what negative sign indicates? Negative sign indicates retardation. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ. Negative sign indicates retardation. Indicates retardation, means speed is decreasing. Second, he has asked us to find force. So impulse formula ದಿಂದನೇ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು. Second, ಇದೇನ್ first formula ಬರ್ದಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, impulse is equal to F into T. So force I can write it as impulse divided by time. Impulse is how much? 1.8. So if I take negative, it is in opposite direction of retardation. Time how much he has given? 0.1. If you simplify, cancel again ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ, point ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, you will get minus 18 Newton. So minus 18 Newton means negative indicates retardation or force in opposite direction. Negative sign indicates force in opposite direction. Force in opposite direction. Negative indication. Clear adari? This is third. Next, fourth, a bullet of mass 0.03 kg enters a block of wood. So there is a bullet of mass 0.03 kg enters a block of wood with velocity 600 meters per second and penetrates to a depth of 0.2 meters. You are required to find average resistance means force. So now if I take, there is a wooden block, you may say, there is a wooden block. So this is a wooden block. Wooden block. A bullet of mass enters. So now if I take a bullet, so here you may say there is a bullet. Its mass he has given m is equal to 0.03 kg. Moving with a velocity, initial velocity he has given 600 meters per second. So it enters the wooden block. And after some distance it comes to rest. Penetrates to a depth of 0.2 meters, he says. So this length is 0.2 meters, that is S. Here the bullet stops, means final velocity is 0. Why the speed of bullet decreases? Because the wooden will be resisting or opposing the motion of bullet. There is resistance offered by wood. Therefore, the speed goes on decreasing and at a certain point the bullet comes to rest. That is at 0.2 meters. You are required to find F. That is the force exerted. Again, taking Newton's law, F is equal to m into A. If you observe the given things, he has given S. So A I will write it as m. A is V square minus U square divided by 2S. Substitute, you will get the resistance offered by wooden block to the bullet. Mass of bullet is 0.03. Final velocity is 0. Initial 600 square divided by 2s. 2 into 0.2. Now if I simplify, I will have f is equal to minus, I will write first minus 0.03 into 600 square, you calculate 6 square is 36. There are two zeros, means after squaring you will have 4 zeros divided by 0.4. Now simplify, you will get the value of f. 0.03 into 3640 divided by 0.4 divided by 0.4. So you will get force or resistance minus 27,123 Newton, or you can say minus 27 kilonewton. Again you should write what a negative sign indicates. So negative sign indicates resistance or force is opposite to the direction of motion of a bullet. Negative sign indicates resistance or resistive force. Or even you can write force is opposite to the direction of a bullet. Clear adare? Okay. Next one, fifth one. A cricket ball of mass 0.18 kg is moving with a velocity of 10 meters per second. So a ball of mass moving with velocity 10 meter per second is hit by a bat so that it is turned back with a velocity of 20 meters per second. So first I will take, there is a bat over here, bat, a ball is there, ball, its mass he has given, m is 0.18 kg, 0.18 kg. It is moving with a velocity of 10 meters per second. So towards bat it is moving. U is 10 meters per second. Hit by the bat, so that ball is turned back. So again ball is turned back means 180 degree it comes back with velocity 20 meters per second. 20 meters per second. Now this is important. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ u ಮತ್ತು v ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, ಎರಡು ಥ್ರೂ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ u ಮತ್ತು v ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ನೀವು ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ v ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಫೈನಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನದರ್ಲೆ ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ u ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. u ಏನದರ್ಲೆ ಸೈನ್ ಮೈನಸ್. The force of blow acts for 0.01 seconds. So T has given 0.01 seconds. Contact between bat and ball. You are required to find force applied by bat. Force applied by bat. Again, he has asked F means Newton's second law. Newton's second law use madri F is equal to ma. M. A means T has given, so I will write it as V minus U divided by T. So therefore F is equal to, mass is 0.18, V is 20, U is minus 10, so minus of minus enagtade plus 10, and time is how much? 0.01. Now simplify, you will have the force. Therefore F is equal to 0.18 into 20 plus 10 30 divided by 0.01. Calculate madri, you will have the answer. So 0.18 into 30 divided by 0.01, you will get 540 Newton. F is 540 Newton. Clear adare? This is fifth. Next ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಅಗೈನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ. ಎ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ 10 kg ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ 10 meters per second collides with another body of mass 20 kg moving with velocity 5 meters per second in the same direction. So before collision, ಎರಡು collide ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು, before collision, so there is a body of mass 10 kg. So m1 is equal to 10 kg. This I will take it as A. Velocity u1 10 meters per second. I will take this as moving from left to right. Collides with another body B. Atrad mass 20 kg ada. So m2 is equal to 20 kg and its velocity is u2 5 meters per second. In same direction anta nanmele eradu velocity the sign same. If you read further, after collision, the lighter body moves with velocity of 4 meters per second. You are required to find velocity of heavier body. So if I take after collision ತಗೊಂಡಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಲೈಟರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಎರಡತ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದದ? ಎ ಅದರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ ಮಾಸ್ 10 ಅದ. ಸೊ ಎ ಏನದರ್ಲೆ it is moving with velocity of 4 meters per second. 4 meters per second. You are required to find velocity of B. Final velocity of heavier body V2 connected. Now collision anta bandedandmele it is based on conservation of momentum. So by conservation of momentum, by conservation of linear momentum or momentum. Initial momentum is equal to final momentum, that is m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Now substitute the values, you will get v2. So v2 positive bantandre it is in same direction as that of A. Negative bantandre opposite to that of A. m1 is 10. 10 into u1 is 10. m2 u2 20 into 5 is equal to m1 v1 10 into 4 plus m2 v2 20 into v2. So 100 plus 100 is equal to 40 plus 20 v2. Simplify. So 100 plus 100 200 240 ikkade bantandre 160 is equal to 20 v2. Therefore v2 is equal to 160 divided by 20 cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ, you will get 0 0 ಹೋಯ್ತು 8 meters per second. v2 is 8 meter per second. So positive bandadandre it will move in the same direction as that of A. So I will write here moves in same direction as body A. Moves in same direction as that of body A. Clear adare? Next 7th one. Odri in ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. A truck of mass 300 kg moving with velocity of 6 meter per second collides with another truck of mass 7000 kg moving in opposite direction antane at 1.5 meters per second. So after collision they move together. So first before collision totana, before collision, so there are two trucks, rough diagram right? So imagine this as a truck. There are two trucks. I will take it as A and B. A and B. So a truck of mass 3000 kg. So m1 is equal to 3000 kg moving with velocity 6 meters per second. So this I will take it is moving from left to right. Another truck of mass 7000 kg means m2 is 7000 kg moving in opposite direction. So this is moving in opposite direction means u2 you should take very good negative ತಗೋಬೇಕು 1.5 meters per second. Why negative? Because it is moving in opposite direction. After collision they move together ante ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So after collision both the trucks move together. You are required to find their common velocity. So ಎರಡು truck collide ಆಗ್ತವೆ. So they get collided and both collided A and B. So they move with common velocity v. You are required to find the value of v. Suppose v positive bantandre it is moving in the direction of A. Negative bantandre it is moving in the direction of B. Again by conservation of momentum I will write formula m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Now if I substitute m1 is 3000 into 6, m2 is 7000 into minus 1.5, 3000 v plus mass of second one is 7000 v. Now simplify you will get the value of v. So v positive bantandre in the direction of A, negative bantandre in the direction of B. So 3000 into 6 is a 18, 1, 2, 3 zeros minus 7000 into 1.5 calculate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ calculator use ಮಾಡ್ರಿ you will get minus 10,500 3000 plus 7 is 10,000 so 18 ಒಳಗೆ minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 18,000 minus 10500 you will get 7500 plus 1 divided by 10,000 to 3 is equal to V. So 2 zeros gets cancelled. So therefore you will have V is equal to 0.75 meters per second. 0.75 meters per second. So positive bandada means positive sign indicates after collision trucks move in the direction of A. Trucks move in the direction of A. In the direction of truck A. Clear adari? So this next. Last, a body of mass 8 kg is suspended by a rope of length 2.5 meters from the ceiling. So this problem is from a model question paper which the board has released. So there is a body of mass 8 kg suspended by a rope of length 2.5 meters from the ceiling. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಾನೆ or roof ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಮೇಲಿನ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಂದಂಗ there is a body of mass. So mass is 8 kg. Rope length is 2.5 meters. 2.5 meters. A force of 60 Newton is applied on the body in horizontal direction. So anywhere you can take. So ಈ direction ಒಳಗೆ force apply ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂತ ತಗೋತಾನ 60 Newton. So what find the angle made by rope with the vertical in equilibrium. Now when you apply force in horizontal direction, so ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ body moves sidewards. So when you apply force, it will become in this form. So ಈಗ ಇದು force ನ apply ಮಾಡಿದ ಈ direction ಒಳಗೆ 60 Newton ಅದ. So in this downward direction the weight of body acts. W is equal to M into G. So 8 into 10 means this will be 80 Newton. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಸೊ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಜಗ್ಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು ರೋಪ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ made with vertical cadence in equilibrium means this angle I will take it as theta. You are required to find theta. Theta's value negative. Figure clear adari side ಗೆ ನಾ ಎಳೆದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ರೋಪ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ವೇಟ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೋಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತದ್ರಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಈಗ ಟಿ ಏನಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಂದ್ರೆ if I resolve this vertical ಜೊತೆ angle theta that means vertical component will be t cos theta ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ horizontal direction ಒಳಗೆ t sin theta so as it is in equilibrium ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನವ equilibrium ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ equilibrium ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ horizontal forces ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದಾಗ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿರಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಿ ಫಿಗರ್ ಟಿ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಕದ 60 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಕದ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರಿಯಂ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. So horizontal direction if I take t sin theta is equal to 60. This is equation 1. Similarly, if you equate forces in vertical direction ದಾಗ equate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ t cos theta ಅದ 80 ಅದ. t cos theta upward ಅದ 80 downward ಅದ. So again both are equal. One vertically upward, one downward. Why they are equal? Because the body is in equilibrium. So I can write t cos theta is equal to 80. This is second. T cos theta is equal to 80. Now equate both 1 and 2. So if I divide those two values, I will get value of theta. So if I divide from 1 and 2, so from 1 and 2. So if I divide t sin theta divided by t cos theta is equal to 60 divided by 80. So simplify madri, t gets cancelled, sin by cos is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 0 cancel, 6 by 8 andre 3 by 4. So now you can use a log table and write the value of theta, or you can remember this hint ಇಲ್ಲಿ note ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೇನೆ. It will be helpful even for your competitive exams. So if triangle is right angled triangle, if triangle is right angled triangle, now rough diagram I will take. So triangle is right angled triangle 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean number. Then the angle opposite to 3 will be 37 degree and other angle 90 ದಾಗ 37 minus ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 53 degree. So 53 plus 37 should be equal to 90. Yes. So ಇದು ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ, ಹಿಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. When numbers are 3, 4 and 5. 3 opposite is 37. 3 opposite angle is 37. ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನದಲ್ಲ, that is 90 minus 37 ಅಂದಂಗ 53. Now from this hint, without seeing log table, now you can directly write answer here. So theta is equal to tan theta 3 by 4 ಅದ. So triangle ದಾಗ tan theta 3 by 4 opposite by adjacent ಅಂದ್ರೆ theta will be 37 degree. So this is angle made with the vertical. Clear adare? Hope you have understood the problems. So please share with your friends and ask them to subscribe my channel.